So today we are going to be working on this Apex ARC8 wheel. Hello, my name is Gavin Blair. I am here at Group 2 Motorsports, where I am the detailer here. So today we are going to be working on this Apex ARC8 wheel. We're going to be applying this Adams Polishes ceramic coating for wheels. So why do we want a ceramic coat? A, protect your investment. B, your investment will be easier to maintain as far as its cleanliness. So whenever you get that brake dust on there, you can in theory just be able to take water, run it on there, and you're done. So with this kit that we have today, you get a little instruction manual. You get a little coating prep. You're going to put that on first before you even get into your ceramic coating. Next, you're also going to have an applicator, a suede applicator. Underneath here, you got some towels to buff everything off. You got your ceramic coating, and to keep your wheels cleaner longer and your ceramic coating on your wheels longer, you got ceramic boost. So with this wheel, we're lucky enough that they're brand new. Typically, you're going to want to wash all your wheels, of course, before you get into any of the prep spray and ceramic coating. So when we're done with our coating prep, we then move into our ceramic wheel coating. So when you're applying your ceramic coating, when you're putting it on your applicator, you want to be pretty even with it. Now, with ceramic coating, you want to typically give it about 15 to 30 seconds in between applying and then waiting for it to cure. You'll know when it's ready to be taken off as well, if you don't want to wait the 15 to 30 seconds, if you start seeing it to rainbow. And typically with if any of all ceramic coatings, typically you're going to see a lot of gloss. So when you're applying your ceramic coating, since you want to wait about 15 to 30 seconds per each interval, you want to give yourself some time. So that means do it in little sections at a time. So for instance here, I did from here to here, waited, and then buffed it off. So now I'm going to continue along on this side. Now that we're done with the ceramic coating, we are now going to allow the ceramic coating on there to cure. Now, cure times for every ceramic coating should be different. Ground baseline, 24 hours is a good amount of time. So now that we're all ceramic coated, we then have a last step, ceramic boost. This will prolong the longevity of your ceramic coating on the wheel, thus giving you a longer protection. Now, if you're looking to get your wheels ceramic coated like we just did here in this video, contact us at Group 2 Motorsports.